Now we will discuss about the normalization techniques. Database normalization is a technique of organizing the data in the database. So basically, these rules got created to put the data in the right manner so that you can process fastly. You can remove the duplicate data, you can remove useless data, you can say to put the data which is most accurate so that you can process fast. To maintain all this, there are some normalization techniques got created, and it is named as first normal form, second normal form, third normal form, and BC. We will see those steps one by one. So let's see what is first normal form. First normal form, in don't go by words, I will tell you in layman language so that you can understand easily. So in the first normal form, there should be a primary key in the table. Simple. In one line, there should be a primary key in the table. There should not be any repeating group of information. For example, in this table, student, age, and subjects are given. A student is the primary. That makes the table in the first normal form. Here we have age and subject also. We will see why we need this. Okay, and how whether it is following the second normal form or not. Let's see what is second normal form first. So second normal form says that there should not be any partial dependency of any column on primary key. So if I talk about this particular table, so age is dependent on a student, subject is dependent on a student, so there is a partial dependency. There is a partial dependency of subject and age. Subject and age are not dependent on each other, both are independent. So that's how, I mean, if I say like biology can be learned by a person who is in the age of 15, no, anybody can learn it. But if I say Adam's age is 15, Adam is 15 years old, so that means there is a dependency on a student and age is dependent on a student. So in such scenario, where there is a partial dependency, you should create two separate tables, student and age and student and subject. That way you will be able to meet second normal form. So to meet the second normal form, before coming on second normal form, you should meet the table should meet the first normal form criteria. That table should have primary, and then there should not be any partial dependency. Then we have third normal form. In third normal form, we talk about transitive functional dependency. What is transitive functional dependency? There should not be a dependency on any other field, any other primary key. You can say, I mean, that there should not be any field which is looking like a prime. In this particular table, you can say student ID and zip, both are looking like a prime. A student name is dependent on a student ID, date of birth is dependent on a student ID, but street, city, state, these three columns are dependent on zip code. In such scenario, this is called as transitive dependency. Hence, to apply third normal form, we need to move the street, city, state to a new table where zip code would be a primary. This way you will be able to meet third normal form. So if you follow these three rules, your table structure or database structure would be robust.